welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. And for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng review over these clothes that I got from a website called Shein or Shein, but I think it's pronounced as Shein. Yeah. So, nandito po sa tabi ko yung mga nabili ko, and tulad din po ng ibang mga online shops or website ng mga damit, yung Shein din po is hit or miss. So, by that, it means na sa lahat po ng mga purchases ko over the past year or two, lagi po na merong isa or dalawa or tatlong items na hindi ko nagugustuhan talaga. It's either pangit yung tela, pangit yung quality talaga, at saka hindi kasya sa akin. It's not what you call true to size. So, minsan nalilito din ako kapag bumibili ako ng mga damit doon sa Shein kasi, for example, small. So, bumibili ako ng small kasi nga talagang small yung size ko ng mga damit. But then, pag dumadating dito, it's very, very loose. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, so next time na bibili ako, I'll go with extra small para talagang fit. So, lahat ng pinag-order ko na naman is extra small sa next purchase ko. Pagdating na naman dito, para akong suman/embutido, or hindi ko talaga siya masuot kasi sobra namang tight. So, talagang hit or miss siya. Hindi ko talaga matansya. I guess, depende sa tela na rin at saka yung pagiging stretchable niya. But for the most part naman, magaganda naman yung mga nabibili ko at nagagamit ko rin naman siya on a daily basis. So, what I have here are the clothes that I got, not just for me, but also for my daughter because her birthday is coming up and she wants me to get her some clothes as part of my birthday gift for her. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sige, pumunta ka sa website or get the app, mamili ka ng gusto mong bilhin ni mommy at saka check ko and then I'll get it for you. So, nakuha ko siya. I have it here. I'm gonna show you what they are and how they look like. And, oh, by the way, kung nagtataka kayo or nagtatanong kung paano ko po na-achieve itong aura na ito, I will put the link down below para naman po mapanood ninyo kung paano ko nagawa or na-achieve itong makeup look na ito. So, right now, let's do the review. So, nandito po sa side ko yung mga items. I actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 clothes. So, I think walo dito ang sa akin, and then the rest is my daughter's clothes. So, yun lang po ang nagustuhan niya, yun lang ang napili niya. So, yun lang din ang nakuha ko at nabili for her. Obviously, hindi ko siya masusukat kasi hindi ko naman yung size ng anak ko. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. And yung mga para sa akin, yun yung susukatin ko. And i-judge natin kung maganda ba or hindi. Okay, so first item for my daughter, I got this one for $4.34, so it's a pretty good deal. At saka yung Shein din, napakaraming coupon, napakaraming sale na nangyayari, kaya nag-subscribe din ako sa yung text nila. So every time na meron silang mga promo or coupon or anything regarding sale, nagte-text po sila sa akin. So, yun din ang napakahirap i-ignore kasi nga, they really have very, very good deals. So, for this one, I said, yeah, $4.34. So, it's actually a skirt like this. Size 11 to 12 because my daughter's gonna be 11 years old, but I don't know, maybe parang masyadong malaki, but I don't know, I hope it fits her. So this one I got for $4.34. 34 cents. Parang kasya na to sa akin eh. Diba? But, we'll see kung magustuhan niya. Well, she picked this one. Next is this one. I got this one for $5.20. It's really, really white and really nice. Maganda yung tela. So, ganyan. Ganyan siya. And then, this one goes around the waist. Yan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Again, maganda yung tela. Tsaka, I always go for clothes na yung pag nalabhan, hindi mo siya kailangang plansyahin, lalo na pag lagi kang on the go. So, pag nilagay mo sa dryer, and then, na-dry na siya, pwede mo na lang siyang kunin na, tsaka isuot. Hindi mo na kailangang ayusin or plansyahin. So, it's that one. Next is, again, $5.20. Still for my daughter. It looks like this. So, yeah, yung mga damit na pinili niya, yun kasi ang parang style dito ngayon, lalo na sa mga magti-teenager, yung mga crop top. So, nakakatakot, but i-guide na lang natin yung mga anak natin, di po ba? Yun yung talagang norm dito. Ganitong klase ng mga damit. Wala ako sa lugar na magsabi nun kasi yung mga nabili ko rin ng mga gamit, parang ganun din. So, yan. Next is, another one for $5.20. Ito yung itsura niya. Kala ko, ayan. So, I think tinatali ito. Parang ganun. Maganda din yung tela. I like this one. It's stretchy. But, I'm just hoping na magkakasya talaga sa anak ko. So, that's her. And then, next is, this one is $11.27. It's actually like a jogging pants. Or parang sweatpants na tinatawag. It looks like this. Yan. Oh, maganda din ang tela. I like it. And it has a butterfly because nagugustuhan or gusto ni Tiara ng mga damit na nare-remind siya sa mommy niya. So, most of the time, or meron siyang nabili na sweater last time. It's a burgundy color. Yeah, parang dark red. And she told me that she chose that one because it reminds her of me. And this one, she knows I love butterflies. That's why she got this one too. So, that's so sweet. Aww. Yan. Next, sa ating nabili, the last one for her is this one. I actually have something similar to this. Kaya siguro din niya naisip na bumili ng ganito or magpabili ng ganito. This one is $8.67. Yan. Ganyan yung stretchy plaid. And then, meron din siyang, sabi dito, free gift. Yan, free gift daw. So, I don't know if this is a, yeah, I think it's a belt kasi meron siyang ganito. So, hindi siya talaga free gift. Kasali siya sa item. Ginawa lang nilang free gift. But, this one is really nice. However, it's kind of thin. So, I think, advisean ko yung anak ko na magsuot ng parang shorts or something kasi talagang almost see-through. Masyadong manipis yung damit. And now, yung mga sa akin naman. So, susuotin ko, napapakita ko sa inyo, and then, bibigyan natin ng review or judgment kung maganda ba o hindi. Okay, so first item for me is this blouse. I am into misshaped and asymmetrical blouses, dresses, t-shirts right now. And nung nakita ko ito, I fell in love with it. I like this one because as you can see, hindi even yung strap niya, which makes it unique and a head turner in a way, diba? So I like this one. It fits well. And this one, yung price niya is $5.20. Pero, maganda yung tela. It looks sexy. So, it's a good deal for me. Now, off to the next item. Next item is this one. Another asymmetrical style. Isa long sleeve, ang isa spaghetti strap. Medyo, ano lang to, medyo mahaba. But it's fine. I can just put it like this. Ayan. So I like this one as well. It looks sexy. And this one was $6.94. Kita nyo naman siguro kung ano ang favorite color ko. Burgundy, red, dark red. Anything with a touch or a shade of red. Paborito ko po yan. Tingnan nyo naman. Red din siya, diba? So, yeah. $6.94 for this one. Fits well. Looks nice. So, off to the next one. Okay, next item is this one. Another asymmetrical blouse. So you can see, this is worth $5.20. So, I like this one. It's a little loose. I was expecting it to be tighter here around this area. The only thing that I don't like, I'm gonna sit down and show you. So, kita nyo ito. Nakalabas siya na ganyan. And then, hindi siya nakatahi dito. So, para siyang t-shirt na ganon, ganyan. Tapos, ginupit lang nila para mag-split. Parang ganon siya. Wala siyang tahi dito. Hindi siya secured. So, yan o. Kita nyo dyan. So, pag gaganunin ko yan, mapupunit po yan. Yan. At saka nakausli ito. Yan. I don't like that. So, I think what I'm gonna do is, of course, if i-fix ko siya, ipo-fold ko lang ng ganon. Yan. Tapos tatahiin ko siya. Ganyan. Diba it sucks na brand new yung damit mo tapos dapat ready to go na but you still end up fixing it for it to look better kasi nga it's damaged. So, but still, $5.20 for this. Ayan. Ganda din naman kahit paano. Kailangan lang ng konting repair. But, yeah. I like it. So, off to the next one. Okay, another asymmetrical top or blouse. So this one naman is talagang totally sleeveless. And this one is long sleeve na merong cut dito. So I got this one for $4.34. It's a crop top. So nowadays, nagsusot ako ng mga high waist na ganito. So maganda din naman. I like it. Ayan. So, for the price, yung tela niya talagang maganda din. A little stretchable, but not so much. And hindi siya manipis at all. So, I like this one. Probably go to the hotel and wear this one without feeling like too cold. Kahit na expose yung isang braso ko kasi ito talagang warm siya. I like it. Yan. So, next item. Okay, another item with my favorite color. Crop top. Ayan. gustuhan ko lang siya din kasi long sleeve at saka of course my color, it's my color, red. I'm the red lady. And ano siya, yung tela niya is katulad nung sinuot ko kanina. Makapal din. And I would say na even if I wear like this, kita man yung chan ko. Pag pumunta ako sa area na malamig, I think I'll be pretty warm kasi talagang makapal yung tela niya. And maganda yung quality ng tela. So it's a winner for me. I love this one. Again, yeah. This one was $6.94. Yan yung presyo nito. I like it. Now, off to the next item. Okay, so next purchase is this one. It's a summer dress. I got this one for $7.80. Ayan, very nice din yung tela. I like it. Ayan. So, the way people shop here sa States is kapag summer, yung mga naka-sale po is yung mga winter clothes. Long sleeves, blazers, jackets, coats, yun po yung kailangan mo or mas i-prefer mo na ipag-shopping for you to be ready for winter. Kasi pagdating sa winter, mahal na po yung mga items na yon. So, kapag winter naman, puro summer clothes ang naka-sale. So, yun na rin ang perfect time na mamili ka for you to be able to get ready for the spring and summer. So, baliktaran po yung sale nila. Kaya ngayon, medyo malamig pa. So, it's still considered as winter. At yung mga naka-sale po ngayon is mga like summer clothes, summer blouses, summer dresses, yung mga short sleeve, mga sleeveless, yung mga ganon. So, yun po yung binibili ko nowadays. We have two more, and these two items are more of like a basic clothing na pang pang inside ko or pang office kasi nga malamig din naman sa office. So I do have two long sleeve na parang basic lang siya, basic design and basic long sleeve for daily wear kumbaga. So I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so I also got this basic long sleeve striped. Wala masyadong design, but I like this one for me to wear pag nasa office ako. Ngayon, kahit na winter, naka-full blast po ang air conditioner namin doon. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit ganun ang ginagawa ng property management doon. So, talagang sobrang lamig doon. And kahit na during summer naman, nasa Las Vegas na po ang outside weather, pero kami po sa loob ng office ay nasa Alaska. Kasi sobrang lamig po talaga. So kahit na summer, pag nasa opisina kami, naka-coat kami, naka-jacket kami, at naka-long sleeve kami. So ito magagamit ko talaga all year round pag doon ako sa office. So pag nakalabas naman kami, oh my goodness, sobrang init naman. Pero hindi ka nagpapawis dito dahil walang humidity dito, zero humidity. It's very, very dry. Pero talagang sobrang init. Kasi nga, balot na balot ka sa loob ng office. Pero paglabas mo, like I said, Las Vegas na po sa labas, Alaska po sa loob ng office. So, yeah. I like this one. I've been wanting to get this long sleeve na striped, and finally, na kuha ko rin siya. This one I got for $6.94. Together with the other one, it's also $6.94. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, last but not the least, itong basic long sleeve na naman for the office na magagamit ko all year round. This is also $6.94. And makapal din yung tela niya. Hindi siya ganun ka stretchable. So, kanina nung sinusuot ko to, medyo hirap ako dito sa paglabas ng ng ulo ko dito sa turtleneck na to. Medyo tight siya. So, siguro gagawin ko kasi minsan naglalagay na ako ng sa mukha ko, saka ako nagsusuot ng damit. na gusto kong gamitin or suotin for the day. So I think for this one, suotin ko muna to bago ako maglagay ng kung ano-ano kasi talagang ano siya dito, talagang mapupunas yung buong pagmumukha mo dito sa loob kasi medyo tight siya. But overall, I like it. It's basic. I can wear it with jeans, I can wear it with shorts, I can wear it with skirt. And yeah, plain lang, but looks nice and sexy as well. I love it. So there you have it. I was able to show you all the items that I got from Shein. I would say out of 14 items, wala po akong isa sa uli at wala akong itatapon at wala akong ipapamigay kasi nga they all fit well. Ang gaganda ng tela. This is actually the first time na bumili ako ng isang batch na gusto ko lahat at maisusuot ko lahat. So, yay! And also, yung flaw lang is yung isa nga, yung merong ano dito, yung pangit yung pagkakatabas. But, madali lang yung i-fix. Tatahiin lang and then it will look really good. Tsaka, maganda naman yung fitting. Maganda naman yung tela din, so ikikip ko yun. And together with the rest of the items, I'm just hoping na yung mga damit na para sa anak ko kasya sa kanya. And walang maisa sa uli, walang masasayang, walang maitatapon, walang maipapamigay. And also, na-realize ko na ito palang makeup look ko ngayon match sa last item na isinuot ko, which is this one.
Yeah!
Maganda pala. So, kapag nag-office, or suot ko ito sa office, kung gusto kong umaura, siguro ganito ang magiging itsura ko, but I would look too much for the office look. So, siguro ano lang pa rin, basic pa rin tayo or walang makeup. It's safer that way and it's basic and it's nice. Basic is nice. So, again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the content of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also please don't forget to click on the bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload some videos for my channel. Again, this is Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.